my name is Flex. I say no, hi, his name is Dash. And we say hi, his name is Eman. And he say hi, his name is Demon. Hi, my name is Flex. Hi, my name is Dash.
Hi, my name is Eman.
Hi, my name is Demon, and they be getting that semen sprayed. Only one girl, she getting laid, but in my fantasies it might be some more. Incognito close the door, and I didn't say it right, but I said it before. I might need privacy once or twice, maybe some more, if we gon' get it happening, cause it is D-Man, plus I got E-Man, plus he's a D-Man, plus ASH, plus we got Felix, we call him Flexi. He gets acrobatic, he be flipping on these beats, he be doing gymnastics, but it's alright, we got that cold tea habit.
Hi.
Hi.
Why hello?
Hey.
Hi, my name is Flex. And we say hi, his name is Dash.
Hi, my name is Eman.
And hi, my name is Demon.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Flex.
Hi, my name is Dash.
Hi, my name is Eman.
And hi, I am Double Dinner.
Yeah, it looks like tea, but it looks like whiskey. I don't really care as long as girls are frisky. My shit's so dope, yo, for Bangkok City. Rapping every day, yo, my face still pretty. My rap's so dope, everybody wanna smoke me. Do this shit forever, yo, I am like a pro. See, when it comes to rhymes, yo, I will never stop it. I do this shit right to the moon like a rocket. Hi, my name is Flex, and he says hi, his name is Dash.
And I say hi, my name is Eman.
And I say hi, my name is Double Dinner.
Hi, my name is Flex.
Hi, my name is Dash.
Dash. Hi, my name is Eman.
And hi, my name is Double Dinner.
Double Dinner, indeed he be a winner, indeed he don't care, never need a fucking share, cause he be not hairless, be very well dressed. Bringing this back now, cause you know he ain't hellbound. In fact, he just be calm, be the bomb, be dropping this, you know we be every day rocking this camera in my face, doesn't matter over here, got some people behind me, baby, sipping on a beer, we be rapping really indeed fucking clear, cause we be 100% bringing this back from the Bangkok precinct. Yeah, we gonna get arrested. Doesn't really matter, cause soon as they test it, I'm just gonna say hello and hi. My name is
Hi, my name is Flex.
Hi, my name is Dash.
Dash. Hi, my name is Eman.
And hi, my name is Double Dinner.
Double Dinner.
Hi, my name is Flex.
My name is Dash.
Dash. Hi, my name is Eman.
And hi, my name is Double Dinner.
Double dinner, Flex, Eman, and Dash. Do it like this, coming in first, never last.